Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer to bank on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to actually go and open the application, then click at getting started to create your account. Of course, if it's your first time opening the application, you would like to go, or if you don't have an account, you would like to follow the steps of the creating your account, or you can see one of our videos on how to register on this application. So of course, if you do all of that, let me just first of all open my Coinbase application to follow this tutorial steps correctly. So let's just wait until it loads, and as you can see here, you will have this as your home or as your main screen. So as I said, sorry, you can is sorry. So you can go and actually discover a lot of options here in Coinbase application if you want, of course. Then if you want to actually transfer to your bank, you would like to use your Coinbase application from your browser. So of course you're gonna tell me, so why did we download the Coinbase application? So of course you have even here the option of browser. Just go and click on that, and we are having a connection issue. So let's just ignore that. For me, maybe I have like connection issues because I'm using it from a simulator. Maybe that's why I have connection issues, but I assure you I have connection. It's maybe just a problem with the application. So from the browser, all you need to do, you'll find an option called your cash balance under assets. So just go and click on that. On the cash out tab, just enter the amount that you want to cash out, then click add continue. Then you'd like actually to choose the cash out destination, then click add continue again. Then the last step will be just to click at cash out now to complete your transfer, and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.